Hi, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. Hope you are doing well. And if you like my videos and the yarn content, please like and subscribe. Today is December 5th, and I'm here to show you one of the orders that came in where I had done some Mary Maxim mystery bags, which they now call yarn surprise bags. And I had ordered some in October, November, and now this last November order just came in. So since that was here, I decided, hey, let me bunch all three of those different orders together. Hi, Jupiter. My doggy's here. My pup's here to say hi. Anyways, sorry about the mess. Haven't had time to organize. And so he's here. He just wants some love. Anyways, so I figured I would go over that and also show you guys what I got from the Mary Maxim Cyber Monday deals, which were really good. Just show a little portion of that. So the recent yarn surprise mystery bags, I ordered 2 bags, and they pretty much came the same except for a difference of 1 ball of yarn, which was this one, the Bon Bon Classic. There's no colorway. It's 100% acrylic yarn from some country that I don't understand the language. Anyways, and both of the yarn mystery bags came with a gift. For this last order, the gift seems to be, I think it's a circular knitting needle case, but I could probably also use it to put Tunisian hooks in here. So that's pretty cool. It says the retail price of that is $24.99. The mystery or surprise yarn bags go for $29.99, and I had a 20% off coupon, so I got them for 25 bucks. So this is a very nice gift. That's pretty cool. And this is what the bag looks like. This is what I got for this recent bag. So plenty of yarn in there. And I got an Elmo kit. Again, I had gotten them in the 2 boxes in October, so now I'm a little overrun with Elmo. I gave 1 away, so now I have 3. So that's kind of fun. So we'll see what happens with what I do with those. So it had this last order, which was the end of November. 5 skeins of Nako Truva 100% acrylic yarn, 213 meters, I believe. 212 meters, sorry. And I think it's a 4 or 5 millimeter hook, it says, and machine washable, lay flat to dry. And it's okay. A little softer than Red Heart Super Saver. Not by much, so. It's kind of like a tannish color. It's color number 12480. This is like the one-off one, and then the 4 are this color, so there's a little bit of a distinction there. I'm not sure if you can see that with the camera. And I got 4 balls of the 13132. That seems to be all those matching. I got this Royal yarn, which is 241 meters, same similar instruction, 100% acrylic, color number 10. There was 2 skeins of that. And in one bag I had that Bon Bon Classic, and the other one I had this Softy Bernat Baby, which is 100% acrylic, also actually this one says it's a DK3 lightweight. Seems like a 4. It's kind of seems the same thickness of Pound of Love, and this is color pumpkin. Seems a bit more orange, lighter orange to me. And it's 140 grams, 5 ounces, 362 yards. And I also got 4 skeins of the Royal, but in color 28, which is like a burgundy, nice, rich, beautiful burgundy color. And the specifications are the same for that. Also, the beanie I'm wearing, that's Hirschner's yarn. I talked about it in the video before. It's the Northland Trailblazer yarn, and I did this on my circular knitting machine. And then both bags came with 2 skeins of this Caron Simply Soft Iris color, which is a worsted weight medium for category, 4 weight yarn. Recommends a US I9 5.5 millimeter hook, which is really nice, and it has that sheen to it. Most people are familiar with that yarn. Oh yeah, and then this is the Elmo kit, and it's from Lion Brand, a skill level intermediate, and that's what comes with the kit. So it has all the yarn you need, plus a little crochet hook in there, needle, eyeballs, white, black, red yarn, and orange for his nose, and the fiber fill. Yeah, and the pattern is in there too. The pattern instructions. So, and the mystery bags come in this great, beautiful, awesome kind of comforter Afghan bag where you can store all your yarn and goodies and your projects when you're working on them. So that's very nice. Love that. Love these bags. So sorry for the crinkling. That's what the crinkling noise is. Let me set that one aside and show you the other months. Oh, and before I forget, the bags come with free patterns, and the patterns that came with this month's bag, and it also came with a coupon for 30% off of one item. The patterns were the same in both of the bags. One bag had one extra pattern. It was instructions on Caron Simply Soft on how to make a knit hat, how to make this beautiful star Christmas throw from Red Heart Super Saver. You probably get these patterns online for free. Premier, how to knit socks, and a Caron, how to do a shawl. So those were the patterns that were included, which definitely match with the yarn that was in the surprise bags. On to the next one. So the previous November mystery bag that I received was this one. So pretty much same size, very similar yarn. Let me move that bag. That was a gift. In one gift it was that, and the other it was a retractable tape measure. And I believe this is for crochet hooks. So there were 4 of that Royal. This is color 22. And the other one was more of like a salmon pink, which is color 15. I think it'd be great. It's like enough to make a blanket with. And then there were 2 balls of this soft navy Red Heart Classic yarn. 190 yards. Usual specs. Not going to really go through that. Lion Brand Just My Stripes. So in the first video that I show on my channel, I made a beanie out of this for my friend. So this is actually the yarn I used for that, which is medium weight category 4, 177 yards or 162 meters, machine wash and dryable, and they recommend an H hook or 5 millimeter hook. And it's nice and soft, and it kind of changes like that, the color. They also included this, which is some Kato, 100 grams. It seems sort of like a bulky, between a bulky category weight 5 or 6 yarn. I love the colors. I think it's machine wash. Yeah, 100% acrylic. The rest is kind of like that. Your guess is as good as mine. The color is 6091. No color name. And there was 4 skeins of that. I think some cotton yarn was included. And some organic baby cotton yarn. I think blue or pink. Not sure. I took it out for another different project, so. And this was the gift. Sorry about the crinkling noise. The free gift included. And you also get, your name gets placed in a drawing that happened for December 1st. So I got to check to see if I won. So this is, they had different prizes for the drawing. And that's where you can put the hooks in here. I don't know if you could see they're like sewn up, divided. And you can up here, different notions. And you can roll it up, and like close it and roll it. Anyways. And this one says retail value $18.99 for this gift. And the other one was $24.99 or something like that. If I'm remembering correctly. And the patterns included for that month, let's see. That's a picture without the patterns. To get a visual of the size. It had this pipsqueak baby blanket, this beach bag tote with seems like cotton yarn. More knitted socks, knitted baby blanket, Mary Maxim pattern. And that's what was included for those patterns for that month. And I believe for some of these, for the last recent one, I had a 20% off coupon, and then for the one in October, I had like a half off or something coupon for the mystery bag. So that was a great deal. And the October bag was very similar, as you can see. It was mostly the royal yarn, which was 4 skeins of that color 15, which is that salmon color, and that pretty mustardy color 10. And this was the organic baby cotton. There was like 2 balls of blue, and then I think the other was like 2 balls of the yellow. This is the yellow. And this stuff showed up in the October one. This cobblestone, which Patton's cobbles. I'm not a huge fan. It's like 100% wool, super bulky. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it. Recommends a US and or 10 millimeter T15. Yeah. Sorry, it's 49% wool, 49% acrylic, 2% nylon. And also this Moroccan Nights yarn came in the colorway Jasmine. It's very pretty, but it's super thin. They call it a 3, but I'd call it almost, like a 2, almost closer to a 1, and it's sparkly. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. Machine wash, gentle, tumble, dry, and they recommend an H hook, but I would probably use something smaller. It seems pretty thin. There was no gift in usual months, so I think that's just a special November thing. And the patterns included in that box for the October, or bag for the October, was this Bernat Feathers blanket, Afghan, this pretty cable throw, but it's done by hand, and poncho, and a reversible rib blanket that's knit. That's what it looks like, a Mary Maxim pattern. Anyways, so that's it for those 3 different mystery bags of the October unboxing, plus the 2 different November ones. And I mean, I had ordered, so it's a total of 6 bags. The 2 for the October and the 2 in November from the first order were all the same yarns. And then this last one only had a variation of one of the skeins was different in each of the bags. And I showed you that. So then I bought this Aspen yarn. It was a good deal. It's a Mary Maxim brand. It's very pretty. And it's a bulky color fireside. 100% acrylic, 130 yards. Recommended a 6.5 millimeter hook. Very nice and soft. And then they had this Red Heart Soft on sale, leaves, and 2 or 3 other colorways for $2.99. I just got this one. 3 balls of this one of the dark leaf. And yeah, machine washable, dryable, I-95 hook recommended, 5.5 millimeters. It's a medium worsted weight 4, and it's a pretty common brand. And then it had a really good deal on their Mary Maxim Purely Soft. Bag O'Day made a mention of this sale. This is the colorway Honey. And I believe it's 100% acrylic. 70% premium acrylic, 30% polyamide, and it's kind of fuzzy furry yarn. Can't see where it says how much is in here. But yeah, that it's light and fluffy. 147 yards per skein. And then, which I've used this before, which is beautiful. It's just wonderful. So I bought all the colors. Some in all of the colors they had left, which was the colorway, the teal, straw, and whatever their gray one was. Here on the skeins themselves, they only have color numbers, not the names. But this is the Mako Mona Lisa. It's anti-pilling. I would compare it very similar to Caron Simply Soft, of how like soft it feels and a nice sheen. This is the more like brownish beigey one, and it's 100% acrylic, machine wash, lay flat to dry. I would recommend not putting it in the dryer. 100% premium acrylic, and I believe it's 172 meters per ball. It's still on sale at $1.99. I had a 20% off coupon, so I managed to get each for $1.60. This is the teal colorway, very pretty. This is the straw colorway. It's like a light golden color. And this is their lavender color. So, I hope you enjoyed, and that's everything I have for tonight. Thanks, bye. And if you like my content, click like and subscribe, and hope to see you back.